In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix YouTube lagging on your computer. First, open Google Chrome, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, and select Settings. From the left sidebar, click System. Find the Use Graphics Acceleration when available option. If it's turned off, enable it. If it's already enabled, try turning it off instead. After making the change, relaunch Google Chrome and check if YouTube runs smoothly. If the issue continues, open Settings again. Scroll down to Reset Settings and click Restore Settings to their original defaults. Confirm the reset to restore Chrome's default settings. Keep in mind that this will disable your extensions and clear cookies and site data. After making these changes, refresh YouTube and check if the videos play without lag. And that's how you can fix YouTube lagging on your computer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel